Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. This is the install video for this here door handle on my 94 K1500, but will be the same on like Suburbans, Sierras, Silverados, a lot of vehicles. It is a pain in the butt, nothing's easy. Making this video was not the easiest either, so make sure you watch the sleight of hand that you have to do to put this in the easy way. There is no easy way actually. Make sure your hinge is unbolted, or the latch I should say, right down there. You're going to install the pin from the latch to the lock assembly first with the key out of the cylinder. Get the rod that pushes the latch down from the door hinge right here. That's what I'm going to line up, so it lines up with your latch. Takes a little bit of effort to get it to stick onto your handle. Put the top in, there's a little lip on it. When you push your handle in, lock the door handle with the key. That'll allow you to line everything up right here. Trick is having the key in the door handle and turning it to get everything to line up, or locking the door handle to get everything to line up. My problem was the latch pin that would make the door be able to open missed. So right here I'm playing with my door quite a lot to try to get the line up without taking the door handle back off again. So be very careful with that. Make sure you subscribe too while you're watching. Got everything lined up, so from here out is just bolting everything back down. All these are pretty much German Torx specs of wound height. Remove all the stickers or tape I've had around the door so it didn't scratch. Install your bolt right here, and the other one that comes from the inside of the door panel. Somehow I lost that video though. But make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hopefully this helps you out. If it does, make sure you comment below with what vehicle you have. I'll see you in the next hopefully helpful video.